welcome back to another viral makeup trend testing only on Review app. So have you guys tried this viral reverse cat eye look yet? Everyone is doing this transition reel, but I wanted to do an actual tutorial for this. This is supposed to be for anyone who doesn't have enough space here or anyone with hooded eyes like myself, because the focus is supposed to be on the bottom instead of on top of your eyelid. So let's try this. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's start.
So the eyeshadow that I'm using is brown and I'm using Beauty Bay Bright Matte palette for that. I'm going to dip into that with a large fluffy brush and just run it back and forth in the windshield swiper motion. And I'm not looking for perfection here. This is just the backdrop for the look and just to create some dimension and whatnot, So don't overthink it. Just throw it in there and buff it out, blend it out. With this look, it's really important that you keep most of the drama on the bottom, and that's the whole point of reverse cat eye, right? I'm going to take Maybelline gel liner. What I'm going to be doing is stamp this through the waterline. Any gel liner or pencil or kajal, whatever you have is fine. For this look, you don't really need to go out and buy stuff. Every girl has some natural shades like browns and blacks at home, so you're all set. I extend it out here and I extend a little bit in the inner corner as well. I like to keep it pretty subtle for myself, but of course you are captain of your own shape. You can make it more obvious if you want. I'm going to dip into black eyeshadow with a slightly more detailed blending brush and just start fixating that. Just really start blending and bluffing that out and creating that shape that I want, like extended shape. I really want the drama to be on bottom lash line, not at the top. So if you're going to add lashes, I'll recommend using something that is not too dense and placing a half lash like this towards the outer corner of your half of your eyes. That will really look good.
I love it. Look how lifted this looks. Look at this. I'm holding it, but I'm not holding it. It looks so lifted without even holding it like that. This is so perfect.
Hit that like and follow button. You'll find me again only on Review app.
That is it for today. Bye.